Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.